Today we're doing a water pump job on a V6 Malibu. As you see, water pump's not really that big, and the placement is over behind the airbox. In order to get to it, you have to remove this airbox. It's basically two screws. Sit like that, one right there, hold it in place. It's actually one that holds it in place right here, but you got to disconnect the AC lines that's strapped onto it. The water pump's right here. Take the 4 bolts off for the pulley system, which I've already did except for one. And then what you're gonna do is get your big wrench to move everything out of the way so you can get it to move without the belt flying everywhere. So with that in mind, I have big breaker bars. Slide in there like so, and a tensioner pulley. In case y'all are looking, this is kind of hard on one hand. There we go. Almost in there. This one's gonna go back that way. But be careful not to hit your hoses or anything back there for your AC compressor. Then just slide that pulley out of the way like that. Well, you didn't see that, but you get the idea. Now you got access to the water pump. So in the process of doing all of this, give me a second. Move the belt out of the way so you don't destroy it when you're taking out the bolts. Drop the belt down out of the way. And you got your clearance. But to show you how you can tell if you got a bad water pump, maybe I should have did it before I took the pulley off. But you can see the moisture and everything from where it was coming from the back of the water pump. This whole pulley on the front is moving. So that's one telltale sign that it's bad. And you got antifreeze everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna take these bolts out and I'm gonna come back and show you how to reinstall. Now, sometimes you gotta get a little hammer or something and tap on the back side of the water pump to get it off. So once you pull it off, be prepared to have antifreeze come out everywhere. Kind of like that. So once you get all that stuff out the way, get something to scrape off the old gasket material. And once you get all that stuff off, you can go ahead and put a new one on. As you can see, there's really no work to it. It takes about maybe 30 minutes. Okay, we got it back together now. And as you can see, that's what it looks like in place. Also, too, a side note, some of these things are so goofy. The wheat pole has to be on top, right there, in order for the bolt holes to line up around the water pump. Which is really odd because now that I look at this one, if you look at the stain marks, this is the top where the wheat pole was right there, but all the stains were coming out to the bottom because the bearing went bad. So keep that in mind when you're doing it. But now it goes back together. As simple as this. Just putting everything back on and lining it up. And once you line everything up, you can put the belt back on, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about finishing up on this or what all you need to take out, pretty much everything on this side. And this is the 3500. So pretty much the same thing on the G6 and everything that Jim put this thing into. So like I said, if you have any questions, just drop me a message, shoot me an email, something, and I'll help you out with yours. Have a good day. Subscribe and add and pimp me out to your friends because this is valuable information. Thank you.